Somebody says you that how the growth can be measured, what you do? You will take a scale, you will take a pencil, isn't it? Or you will just take a tape and you will just measure how many centimeter it is, or how many millimeter it has increased, like that. That is a simple method to measure the growth. But scientifically there are some things we have to take into consideration. वो क्या है? जैसे कि in terms of वेट इंक्रीज हो रहा है, या वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हुआ है, या लीफ एरिया इंक्रीज हुआ है, ये सभी चीज़ें हमें ध्यान देनी पड़ती है। कहाँ पे? जब हम साइंटिफिकली लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म की बात करते हैं तो। So in this line, some instruments are also developed. Growth measurement करने के लिए we are having some instruments. For example, oxynometer का invention हुए वाला है. Bose chrysograph is also one of the instrument. Space markers, all these are the different type of instruments, but we can use it for the measurement of growth. But in your syllabus, ऑक्जेनोमीटर इज मेंशन। सो जब हम ऑक्जेनोमीटर की बात करेंगे तो ऑक्जेनोमीटर में आपके सिलेबस में है दो ऑक्जेनोमीटर जिनको आपके स्टडी करनी है। नंबर वन है आर्क ऑक्जेनोमीटर, एंड सेकेंड वन इज कॉल्ड एज फिफर्स ऑटोमेटिक ऑक्जेनोमीटर। दिस इज कॉल्ड एज आर्क ऑक्जेनोमीटर, और समटाइम्स इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज आर्क इंडिकेटर ऑल्सो। फर्स्ट इंस्ट्रूमेंट जो है, इट इज एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, मोस्टली इट इज आस्क्ड फॉर 5 marks लाइक दैट। आर्क इंडिकेटर शॉर्ट नोट्स, इट इज हैविंग ए वर्टिकल स्टैंड। आर्क इंडिकेटर में क्या होता है? एक वर्टिकल स्टैंड होता है, एंड इट इज हैविंग ए पुली connected to a pointer. This is a pointer and this is a pulley. Just like when we a circle of iron circle is there having a depression in the center. Just like we are having chain on the cycle, no, that it looks like that. So a chain is kept around the that circle in the cycle, like that. A small pulley is placed here, and a pulley is attached to. Pulley is having an attachment with the pointer. A thread is passed over the pulley. Or a pot is taken on which you have to measure the measurement. जिसका आप measurement लेना चाहते हो, we take that pot, and the growing point of the plant is tied to a thread. A thread is taken और यहाँ पे इसको tie किया जाता है, and that thread is totally, it is passed over the pulley, and a small weight is attached here, and a small weight is attached to here. So what will happen, students? This arc indicator is having a scale also, which is in the shape of an arc. So this pointer is placed on this scale where centimeters and inches it is marked on that. So what happens when we tie up a growing point with a thread, and that thread is having a balance with a weight? What will happen if this plant is growing like this? What will happen? This weight will come down, isn't it? If plant is growing, what will happen? Because it is tied with the thread, this weight will come down. So when this is moving like this pointer will automatically move. This pointer will automatically move. Suppose if today, today is 11th of January. So if you place it today, after 2 days, that is on 13th, you can see how much change it is showing on the scale. You can note it down, and there is a calculator, there is a formula for that. वो formula में कितना चेंज हुआ है सेंटीमीटर में बोलो या इंचेस में बोलो, आप वहाँ पे कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. सो दैट इज अ मेथड. आर्क इंडिकेटर से हम मेजरमेंट कर सकते हैं ग्रोथ का. सो लेट मी रिपीट वंस अगेन. In arc indicator, there is a vertical stand, a pulley is connected to a pointer, and a thread is passed over the pulley, and it is tied with a what you can say growing point, and a weight is there kept there, and when with growth, pulley moves, resulting in the movement of the pointer. तो ये हो गया आर्क इंडिकेटर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन. So what is the use of this arc indicator? Arc indicator, it helps us to know the how much growth has been taken place. and whatever growth takes place here, it is 10 times magnified. इसका मतलब क्या है, अगर 1 मिलीमीटर ग्रोथ प्लांट में होता है तो हमें 10 मिलीमीटर दिखाई देता है समझ में, क्योंकि ग्रोथ, ग्रोइंग पॉइंट का जो ग्रोथ होता है वो बहुत ही नैरो, लिटिल बिट 1 मिलीमीटर ग्रो होगा, लेकिन हमारे आंखों से नहीं दिखेगा। तो आर्क इंडिकेटर की वजह से 10 टाइम्स मैग्नीफाई होके हमें दिखाई देता है। आर्क इंडिकेटर की वजह से growth will be 10 times magnified if pulley is 4 inch in size and pointer is 20 inch long from the center. पुली, ओके, पुली कितना होना चाहिए, 4 इंच का होना चाहिए, और पॉइंटर जो है वह 20 इंच का होना चाहिए। तो हमें 10 टाइम्स मैग्निफाइड रिजल्ट मिलेगा। ये आर्क इंडिकेटर के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन है। सेकेंड इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम है फिफर्स ऑक्सेनोमीटर। What is a Pfeffer's oxynometer? Pfeffer's oxynometer, it is also having a vertical stand, and it is having two pulleys. Okay, ये देखिए, this is the diagram of Pfeffer's oxynometer. Pfeffer's oxynometer, it will be having a stand, and its stand is having two pulleys. One is, this is pulley number 1, and this is pulley number 2. And in the what pot is kept where you have to tie a thread, and that thread is passed over one pulley and it is balanced with the help of a weight. हो गया? And other pulley is also having a thread which is having weights on both the sides, and one of the thread will be having a pointer. This pointer is attached with a drum like structure, which is, this drum is a smoked drum. This is just like it is a it is having a paper like structure. It is having a paper like structure and it is totally smoked. आप थोड़ा सा इमेजिन कीजिए, अगर हम किसी कागज पे जो है धुआं, किसी दिए का धुआं अगर हम उसके ऊपर अगर हम लेते हैं तो कैसा पड़ जाएगा वो पेपर पूरा, इट विल बिकम ब्लैक, इट विल बिकम ब्लैक। तो इस तरह से दैट स्मोक्ड पेपर इज रोल्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए ड्रम एंड इट इज केप्ट असाइड and a pointer is attached to this. This is called as Pfeffer's oxynometer. It is having a vertical stand holding two pulleys. Over one of the two pulleys passes a thread carrying the weights at two sides. Okay, and the thread on one side of the pulley is also connected with a fine scratching pointer which touches a smoked drum. Okay, rotating automatically. This is not rotting, it should be a rotating ऑटोमेटिकली। एक ड्रम है जो ऑटोमेटिकली रोटेट होता है और उससे लगा हुआ क्या है, एक पॉइंटर है। ओके, सो जब प्लांट ग्रो होगा तो पॉइंटर क्या होगा, ये धीरे धीरे चेंज होगा, इसका मतलब वो मूव होगा। जैसे ही पॉइंटर मूव होगा इस स्मोक्ड ड्रम के ऊपर मार्क बनेगा। काले धुएं के अंदर जैसे हम एक व्हाइट लाइन अगर हम स्ट्रेच करें, ओके, स्क्रैच करें तो कैसे दिखाई देगा, सेम लाइक दैट वी विल फाइंड ए स्क्रैच्ड लाइन ऑन दिस स्मोक्ड ड्रम। सो look at this picture. This is Pfeffer's oxynometer having a stand. One is a small pulley, another one is a larger pulley, and one is having tied with a weight and growing point is attached. So when this grows, this pulley will move like this. So when it is moving like this, naturally the other pulley will also move, which is having a pointer, and it scratches on this smoked drum, which is scratches on the smoked drum. Now over the other pulley also passes a thread. Just now I have explained you. Pointer makes a scratch or mark on the smoked drum to record the growth. So with the help of radii of the two pulleys and the rate of rotation, ये कैलकुलेशन का एक मेथड, एक फॉर्मूला होता है जिसके अंदर यू हैव टू पुट द रीडिंग्स लाइक रेडियस कितना आया है, रेट ऑफ रोटेशन कितना है, वो हम सब वैल्यूज डाल के जो है we can calculate the growth of the plant. So this is the second method how we can calculate the growth of the plant.